مصنف عبد الرزاق عن داود بن قيس قال: سألت محمد بن كعب القرظي قلت إني أتوضأ when I make my salah, my wudu, وأجد بللا, I feel some wet in the area of my private part. So what I should do? Muhammad bin Ka'bi said, إذا توضأت, when you perform your wudu, فانضح فرجك, sprinkle on your private parts some water. فإذا جاءك, he will come to you. So when he comes to you after that and tells you there is wet at the area of your private part, or you drop some drops of urine, فقول, prepare your answer and say to him, هو من الماء الذي نضحته. This is from the water which I had splashing or sprinkling. That means always try to get a strong answer to the Shaytan. فإنه لا يتركك. Shaytan will never leave you حتى يأتيك until he comes back again and again and again, ويحرجك, and cause you some discomfort. Discomfort means when he comes to you and you say this is the water, he comes to you tomorrow again. Is it the water? Are you sure? Comes to you again next Salah. This is the water, are you sure? So you are going to be hesitated. I say, maybe it's right. That's what he wants. So always try to get solution to block the Shaytan. To take the Shaytan away from your mind. And not to accept the Shaytan's waswasa or disturbance. So that's the first Sunnah we should apply, regardless of if the person is sick or not. If the person is sick, surely, and always he drips, have drips of urine, always, is allowed for him to pray, because that is called Salasul Bawli. The second Sunnah, Hanakul Lihyati. Hanakul Lihyati. This means handful of water you are putting under your chin. After wudu, but after you finish wudu. There's 2 points we want to clarify. When you are washing your face, you should wash also your beard. How you can wash? First of all, the beard in the chin, try to be sure that it reaches the water. On the face, that is number one. Number two, try to wipe on the wet hand on all your beard, regardless of how long it is. Because the hair of the beard is part of the face, but the hair of the head is not part of the head. That's why women, they don't have to wipe the hair all when they are taking wudu, just the scalp only. So now you wet, and then you can put your fingers inside to be sure that called tahleel. You are heating the water inside the skin. The second point is to put a handful of water under your chin to be sure that this area under your chin is wet and soak, and water heats the skin. صحيح أبي داود عن أنس قال: صحيح أبي داود عن أنس بن مالك قال: كان رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إذا توضأ. This is the practice of the Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم. The practice of the Prophet, if he doesn't command us, it's not wajib. If he command us, it's wajib. If he does only as an action, it is sunnah. إذا توضأ أخذ كفا من ماء. He take handful of water. فأدخله تحت حنكه, and he place it under his chin. After wudu, after finish wudu. فخلل به لحيته, and he goes through his fingers through in his beard. And then وقال, he said, هكذا أمرني ربي. This is the way my Lord Allah commanded me. So after you finish your wudu, get a handful of water and put your chin and try to put your finger through to be sure that it reaches, the wet reaches at the skin under the beard. We call it takhleel. Yeah. So there's takhleel in the wudu, and this is hanaka after the wudu. Yeah. Because if the beard has not been soaked or reached the water, the beard, that means the wudu is not valid. So first of all, near the face, the hair in the face, be sure that has been washed when you are running your face, on your face.